Hi everyone, happy Thursday. Just giving you some warning, in a couple of hours or so I'm going to go live with my favourite meat pie recipe, or pie recipe, in light of the award being announced. I didn't compete, but this meat pie, it's a mint and cheese pie, because one of my favourite pies is Georgie pie, and this is a pie that has a whole pile of vegetables in it, and my children eat it, and my husband eats it, and I eat it. It's also a really good one to pop in the freezer. Yeah, so come along and see me make my simple classic mint and cheese pie from scratch. Couple of hours.
Couple hours from now.
Couple of hours, and we will be live. I've just got to get the recipe out of my head and onto paper. So yeah, come back in a couple of hours for my famous mint and cheese pie, and I'll show you a couple of tricks. See ya!